Emotion flowed in and out of the Vigo County Courthouse today as a driver in a deadly crash entered a plea agreement. Good evening to you and thank you for joining us.
Today, a judge accepted a plea agreement for 16-year-old Bryce Schweitzer-Kuthen. He was driving the car that crashed and killed Terre Haute South High School student Jenna Perrelle. In court today, the young man said he was sorry. Schweitzer-Kuthen pleaded guilty to reckless homicide and criminal recklessness. Under the agreement, he will serve 300 days with the Indiana Department of Correction. That's in addition to probation until age 19 and losing his license for 4 years. News 10's Richard Solomon explains what the prosecutor's office would like to see happen in future cases like this.
A few months ago, Jenna Perrelle lost her life as the car she was in crashed. 16-year-old Bryce Schweitzer-Kuthen lost control while he was driving. Prosecutor Terry Modisett says in his role, he would have liked to have seen a harsher punishment. Schweitzer-Kuthen wasn't charged as an adult, but if he were, the highest sentence for reckless homicide is 6 years. Modisett wants reckless homicide to be considered a higher felony. This would allow prosecutors to fight for longer sentences. Modisett told News 10 he's worked with lawmakers and other prosecutors to lobby for this change.
Give the legal system, the judges, more discretion as far as there's more of a high end to these kind of offenses when a life is taken, because obviously you can't bring the life back. So we feel like that the penalty overall as prosecutors is insufficient.
Modisett says regardless of the age, the law will always hold someone accountable. He wants people to think before they act. Reporting in Vigo County, I'm News 10's Richard Solomon. Back to you.
The prosecutor initially filed to waive Schweitzer-Kuthen to adult court, but there were time constraints to move the case forward. Modisett also said the victim's family didn't want to prolong the case and go through an adult trial.